Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete your GoDaddy website in 2024. So today, we're going to learn how to delete your GoDaddy website. Whether you no longer need the site or you're just planning to start fresh. Deleting your website is a straightforward process. So follow the step-by-step guide to ensure how to delete your websites properly in 2024. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Go to this URL section. Basically, just go to godaddy.com, hit the enter button, and you'll find yourself on their website right away. Once you do so, normally if you're logged in into your account, you'll find your username here at the top right corner. If you're not, you'll find the sign in option here instead, and a sign up at the bottom if you don't have an account. So click on sign in to log in, click on sign up to create an account. You can use Facebook, Google, or even Microsoft to create or to go, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Other than that, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here. So first of all, you'll need to go and access your website. So as an example, I'll just go here to my username at the top right corner and click on my products. Once I click there, I'll find myself on this place. So here's an example. I'll find the website that I have. Let's say, example, I want to click on this one. Why not? Of course, here, if you click on it, you'll have easy access and fast access to all the website that you have as example. So if you click on view all, you'll find all the website that you have and you'll have easy access to it. So for me, I'll just click on this again. And once you do so, as you can see, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of that website right away. So before trying to delete your website, make sure to back up your important data. Of course, you can simply just go and access the website's builder as an example right away. Make sure to go to settings, and here on the site, of course, so on the site's profile or below site's profile, you'll find this site's history. Make sure to click on that and make sure to create a backup. This backup, of course, you'll be able to, so you can restore on it whenever you want. So, sorry, I click on restore by mistake. So if we go here to site history, of course, you can name it whatever you want. If you could right click on it and click on rename, like as example, backup, you can simply just name it backup point or something like that. And here, of course, you can simply always go back to it, reset the website, create like another backup if you want to, and that. So once you create your backup as an example, so here, let me just go back in here on this page. Make sure, of course, to download that backup. And it's important to back up like any important data, like download any files, images, or content you might need in the future. You can, of course, do this by exporting your site's content or even manually saving like files on your computer if you can't like download the backup points if you want. So now, once you do so, and of course here, like if you have any other thing that you need to back up, make sure to add it. So to delete it, all you need to do, as an example, if it's published, go back to settings and click on unpublish. Then click, as you can see, after you unpublish, folks won't be able to see your site. No worries, you can publish it again anytime. So I'll just go here and click on unpublish. Something amiss, we could publish your site, give us another go. So I'll just go here and click on try again. Okay, maybe there is problem on GoDaddy at the moment. Let me just go and check. Okay, so connection is working. So of course, you can always just go and visit the help center. As an example, I'll just go here and click on delete my websites. So just go there. As you can see, here they show you how to delete my domain. So not unpublish, I already like showed how. So basically in publishing how you can delete your website like on GoDaddy. But I don't know why I cannot unpublish that websites. So let me just try. Yeah, maybe there's a problem at the moment. Of course, if it's still not want to unpublish, you can always just try to contact the support. As an example, all you need to do simply just go to the help center. Of course, once you go to the help center, you can simply look for whatever you want. If you didn't find what you want, as an example, you can simply just go and click on contact us. And here, as you can see, you can call them, text them, or chat, of course, whenever you want. So they can delete your website if you want to right away. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, of course, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.